These Jolly Rancher hard candies. I'm using a rose-shaped mold. And this is going to go into a 300-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Look at how everything melted together. It's kind of like stained glass. I'm gonna take this masking tape. I'm just gonna lay it across and make sure, get just a little bit of space in between those two. And do the same thing going this way. Put this last piece of tape. I'm gonna be bringing in these lollipop sticks. Stick one in each. And then you're gonna pop this in the fridge. Look at how these turned out. This middle one, pull. And look, you don't even have to grease these silicone pans. They actually pop out perfectly. Isn't that pretty? I've got a vase here. It's like a little kind of whiskey glass. Put all of these in here. Just make sure you can find another spot to put your last flower in. I think you should make this. Super, super pretty.